Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start new chapter, that is
Chapter 11, Force and Pressure. Topic: Force. Look at these examples: opening a door, riding a bicycle, lifting an object. What these boys put to open a door, riding a bicycle, lifting an object? They push these objects. Suppose there is a football which is at rest and this boy wants to pass this football to his friend. What he will do? He will kick this football towards his friend. So what he applied to the football, he applied force to the football. Suppose there is a desk at point A and this boy wants to move this desk to the point B. What he will do? He will push the desk towards a point B. So what he is applying? The boy is applying a force to the desk. In lifting, force is also applied. In kicking a ball, force is applied on the ball. So all these kick, push and lifting, these are known as force. Yes, this boy is riding a bicycle, he is paddling a paddle. So he is applying force on the paddles. In hitting a hammer on the nail, we are applying force from the hammer. In kicking a football or in also stopping a ball, we are applying force on the ball. In opening the door, in plucking the strings of the guitar, in moving the chess, force is applied on these objects. So what you conclude from all these situations? Either pushing or pulling. In both cases we apply force. Either in opening a drawer, we are pulling the drawer towards ourselves. Pushing a ball, pushing a hammer on the nail, we are applying force. So ultimately what is force? Force is pushing or pulling of an object. Suppose we are pulling a book towards ourselves or pushing the book from ourselves. What we are applying? We are applying a force on the book. While opening the door, closing the door, we are applying force. So what is force? A force is push or pull applied on object. This is the definition of force: push or pull applied on the objects. Now forces are always due to interaction between the object. Interaction means touch. When this boy wants to move the football to the another boy, he touch the ball with his feet. So there is an interaction between the boy and the ball. Only then force is applied. While moving the desk towards a point B, there is an interaction between the desk and the boy. So what we conclude? Force is push or pull of an object.